In front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by finding and opening Themes app. Then select Text Styles at the top and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Crying Bear. When you're ready, select Download at the bottom and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to access Devices Settings instead. Tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down and hit Fonts. Then select Me next to Free and click on Honor or an Android one. Then select Apply. You can also change your font style from those settings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!